today's an exciting day. I have my 8-liter 2-station oxygen bar package, and we're going to show you how to set it up.
Okay, the very first thing we want to do when we receive the package is open up each box and remove the contents of every box and lay it out in front of us. The packages are packaged efficiently, so you have things from all aspects of the setup in each box. Okay, the generator coming out is a little heavy, so you either want 1 or 2 people, but you lift it straight up just like this and set it on the ground. Now the generators come without the wheels attached for safety and shipping, so you'll need to attach the wheels. They just push in on the bottom immediately upon receiving your generator. It will overheat and the warranty will be invalid if you don't use the wheels. So that's a very important step. Okay, now that we have everything out of the boxes and laid out, we're going to go to our package here that has the packing list inside of it along with your instructions. We take a look at the packing list and just go down the packing list and make sure you've received everything on it. You've got your generator that you have already attached the wheels, your 2 delivery stations, you've got your connecting parts, your tubing, your marketing with posters, your aromas, some marketing pieces inside there, and you've got your nose hoses, and the instruction guide, which is where we're going to start to assemble the package. The next step in setting up our 2-station package is we're going to take the delivery stations, set them up on the bar, and we'll do that with the 2nd station as well. And we make sure both stations are lighting up and the timer is scrolling. It tells you that it's working correctly. The next step would be to fill the aroma stations with the aroma. And you'll take each bottle out of the delivery stations and you'll fill them about 6 to 7 ounces each. No more, no less. Okay, after we've filled the bottles and haven't overfilled them, it's very important not to overfill, we're going to reseat the bottles into the delivery station. You want to make sure that there's 2 tubes at the top of the station that each has to fit into the neck of the bottle, and the bottle has to perfectly sit in the middle of the delivery station. This will ensure smooth flow. Okay, the next step is to plug in the generator and ensure it's working correctly. Plug it in, switch the generator on, and watch the ball in the gauge go up to, make sure it goes up to the max, 8. It's sitting there at 8, and you'll see the green blinking light, and that's the oxygen working its way through the system, and once that light turns static green, you're good to go. Okay, the light has turned static green, so we know we're good to go. We'll turn the generator off and slide it into place. We want the generator to be not against the wall because it has to breathe, so you want to bring the generator out about 7 to 8 inches so it can breathe all the way around. A little more than that. There you go. And then what we'll do is we'll take a piece of tubing from the connection kit, which is in the generator, bag, and inside that connection kit are some connecting parts and a connection T. Since we have 2 stations, we're going to connect a connecting T that has 2 outlets to the tube, and then we'll connect the other side of the tube to the green cone. If we were using a 1-station package, all we would do is use a straight connector. You wouldn't use the T, and those pieces are provided for you in that connection kit as well. But since we have 2 stations, we're going to use the T. We're going to connect the tube that goes from the bottom of the back of the delivery station into the T. One side, and then we'll do that with the other side. The other tube that comes from the back of the delivery station. And now you have both delivery stations hooked up to the generator. And now we'll test. So we've got the generator on. To turn on the aroma, you turn the lever to 12 o'clock, and you make sure each bottle is bubbling and has pressure. You take the tubes from the station and just feel with your eyelid or your ear that you're getting good flow. Okay, now you'll set up the nose hose. You'll take a nose hose out of the bag, take off the Sani wrap, and then you'll plug the nose hose into the connecting part at the end of the tube coming from the middle of the station. And then to put on the nose hose, you put the nose part in your nose first, and then around your ears like a pair of glasses. There you go.